So I don't know if this is gonna be part 2, like on another video, or if it's gonna be connected, but either way, this will be the update and unboxing of SHEDAVI pills, because I am working on my length retention and my hair growth. If you haven't seen my big chop video, go watch that. I'll put the link below. So let's get into it. So what I've been doing since my big chop is basically leaving my hair alone. I've been doing protective styles and things like that, just so my hair can grow, because usually when I'm in my hair, it doesn't grow because I'm messing with my edges, I'm messing in my hair all different types of ways. Yeah, so that's it. So what I'm going to do with the SHEDAVI pills is I'm gonna leave my hair in twists, not including Wednesday because I have an internship interview, so I'm gonna do like a perm rod set. But other than that, I'm gonna be leaving my hair in twists and letting my hair grow with the SHEDAVI pills. I'm gonna be oiling my scalp and things like that. So I'm gonna open this box. I've actually had SHEDAVI pills before though, and they actually did grow my hair. And the other pills I took or tried, or the Biden drops I've tried, they always break me out, but SHEDAVI pills don't. Maybe because they're vegan and they have the correct amount of biotin, so it doesn't break me out. I also have sensitive skin, so that's probably it. And I'm kind of inconsistent when it comes to taking pills. So if these work for me, they work for you. Alright, buzz. Goodness gracious. Well, it came in this little box. So this is the bottle. And I don't know if you're like me, but I usually don't buy more than one of something, even if I know it works. I don't buy like in bulk, unless it's food, of course. But it says hair, skin, nails, whole food vitamin, vegan, natural, pure. 60 capsules, so it lasts for 30 days. That's how long I wanted to keep my twist up. So I'm going to put my twist in after I do my perm rod set, which will be my next video. It says 1 capsule twice per day. I'm taking 2 at a time. I don't know what twice per day means, but it's going to be 2 at the same time, so I won't forget. No fillers, no milk, dairy, corn, sugar, starch, artificial coloring. Yep. So yeah, I will be, the ingredients are biotin, sulfur, MSM sulfur, whatever that is, alfalfa leaf, pumpkin seed, bamboo extract, kelp, amla, hibiscus, gotu kola, moringa, some type of berry that starts with an S, shatarbari root, and then tamul, a B word, a D word, a K word. Like, let me just show you the ingredients, because at this point, me reading it is not helping either one of us. It's making me look a little slow. Put that up there. Maybe you can pause it a little to see the ingredients. But yeah, so I'll be taking these so my hair can grow, and then I'm dyeing this hair again, because black hair is cool and all, but if you see my video where I dye my hair, I like being blonde. So that's me. I gotta get my shedding under control because my hair is still shedding from the heat damage experience and stuff. So that's basically it, guys. Yep. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. All four. Yeah. Bye. I forgot to show you the length of my hair. That's crazy. Now I'm gonna do a review on SHEDAVI peels if you don't know the length of my hair. So I'm gonna do the front first. So different lengths. The front is going to be a little past my chin. Oh, my hair grew. Okay. Well, right there at my chin. We're gonna say right there at my chin. Because, so we're gonna get this side right here and we're gonna pull this. No way. My hair did not grow this much. Okay. This is right here. So it's like, it's not at my shoulder, but it's like, I would say right here. But it doesn't touch my shoulder, so right here. We're gonna say in that area. Okay. This side, hopefully it's the same. Or you're gonna think my hair is uneven. Yeah, it's about the same. It doesn't touch my shoulder all the way down, but it hugs right here in this area. The back, let me tell you about these back pieces. These back pieces, they be showing out for you because your girl is way down here on the back. I'm just, wow, when did that happen? Your girl is giving past shoulder in the back. This is one little piece though. Like that is here. I'm excited to see how my hair is gonna grow with these peels again, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna twist my hair now. Peace in the double east. That's wrong. What else was I was not gonna say it, but you know, bye y'all. See y'all next video. All over my